It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? On the next episode, which is right now, I'm gonna teach you bitches how to deep fry turkey. There's the turkey pot. There's the propane. Hook them up, turn it on, get that motherfucker to 350 motherfucking degrees. With peanut oil. Don't go using old chicken grease, bacon oil, none of that shit. Go buy you a jug of peanut oil. We purchased at Home Depot, Walmart, and Lowe's. Majority of the brands of these deep fryers right here, they have a timer on it. That timer so you don't burn your motherfucking house down. But at the same time, it will not allow your turkey to cook before the fire shuts off. So I'm gonna show you a little trick on what I did to keep my fire going, cause I ain't gonna burn my motherfucking house down. Right there is the knob to your timer. What I did, I put a little piece of stick in that motherfucker so it don't turn and tick, 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 ding, and cut the fucking fire off. You did? Yeah. That's what me and my household would call nigger rigging. Now let's go in the kitchen and check this motherfucking turkey out. But please use your head. You cannot deep fry a frozen turkey. Make sure the turkey has been completely thawed and dried before putting in your fire. I'm gonna get to that again, but make sure it is completely thawed and dried. You put a frozen turkey in some 350 degree hot grease, you're gonna have a fucking explosion. Code enforcement gonna come and check your motherfucking ass out. Now, as you can see, my bird is already seasoned to perfection. It's been like that since last night. You can season your turkey however the hell you want to, but here's something very important. Tony Thatcher's Creole butter. Inject that turkey with that shit, and it's gonna come out fired in the motherfucker. I'm gonna show you how to inject and where to inject this fucking Creole butter. You wanna inject it at least 6 times into the big, meaty portion of the turkey. You jab that motherfucker in there like that right there, and you put that butter up in that bitch. A little bit there. It's gonna come out. You gonna come over here. You jug that motherfucker in there like that. It's kinda hard to work with one hand. Put all your butter in there, man. You can see it rise up. And that's all you gotta do. Now I know y'all sitting there like, hey, what kind of seasoning do you use? I wanna do it like you do it. So I'm gonna show you what seasoning I use, man. But real quick, this is the Tony Thatcher's injectable Creole butter. But I use garlic salt, motherfucking Goya adobo, all-purpose seasoning, all-purpose Greek seasoning, Lowry seasoned salt, Mills chicken rub. And the final step to make sure your turkey comes out right, you gotta be drinking, man. How you gonna deep fry turkey and not be drinking? That shit is un-American. Look how beautiful it is in Southern California today to deep fry turkey. Now we're going to check the grease and see what temperature we at. Remember, 350 degrees, bitches. 350. Look at that shit. 350 on the dot. Now, just because it's at 350, that does not mean go and drop your fucking turkey in there. No. Because your temperature still might be too high. Give it about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure it maintains 350 before dropping your turkey in, okay? Now, as I said earlier, the turkey has to be thawed out and dried. So what I have here, just to make sure it's dry before it goes in the grease, a Revlon motherfucking blow dryer. You just blow dry this motherfucker until it's dry. And it makes the season hold on a lot better too. And you don't have to worry about getting popped by hot motherfucking grease when you drop this bitch in that 350 degree grease. And when you dropping it in, make sure you drop it in real slow. Well, you didn't say how long the turkey was supposed to cook, Trey. You didn't tell me. Well, look, 3.5 minutes per pound. Do the math. So I'm gonna let this bad boy right here cook for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna snatch it out and I'm gonna check it. But also, do not be alarmed. When you drop the motherfucking turkey in the grease, the temperature of the grease naturally is gonna drop and it's gonna rise itself back up to 350 and continue cooking. We're about 25 minutes into it. We're gonna go check the turkey, make sure everything's going good. We're just gonna pull it out slowly and just look at it. Oh, yeah, man. It's that golden bird, baby. So we know it ain't quite done since it's been cooking 20 minutes. Outside is browning just right, bitches. Just right, man. So we're gonna let that motherfucker cook for another 20 minutes. We're gonna check it out. It should be about done at that time. And after 35 minutes, this motherfucker is ready to be eaten. So we just gotta sit here, man, dripping the grease out of it. We're gonna pat it out, and we're gonna eat. And that, good people, was a motorcycle. And that, good people of motherfucking America, China, whoever the fuck eating turkeys today, that is how you deep fry a motherfucking turkey. Now don't get me wrong, people may do it differently. Oh, you're doing it wrong. Bitch, that turkey good as a motherfucker. I did it right. Yeah.